How to change card details on Amazon Prime Video accounts. I'm going to guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone or your computer, head over to your preferred web browser. On your browser, navigate to Amazon Prime Video website. After you're in the website, make sure to log into your account first. Once you are logged in, head over to the Accounts and Settings page. After you're in the Accounts and Settings page, at the bottom you can see the Set Payment Method option. Tap on it. If you want to change the card details, you can add a new credit or debit card into your account. You can enter all the card details all over again. If you already have a saved card, and if you want to change the card details, in this Your Payments page, at the right hand side you can see the Manage Wallet section. Tap on it. You will see the payment card that is saved in your accounts, and here you can see the Edit option. Tap on it. From here you can change the name on your card, your expiration date of the card. If you want to change the billing address, tap on this billing address section. If you want to set a new address, you can add an address from here. You can provide all the details that you want to change: your full name, your street address, your apartment details, the state, zip code, your phone number. And once you are done, you can tap on this Use this address option and it'll be saved into your payment details. So that's how you can easily change card details in Amazon Prime Video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.